We're gonna bring you some new friends home, hopefully. We're on our way. Can you tell the people where we're going today?
Get goats.
So people think that you are like shy to be on my videos. Is that true?
No.
So what are you?
Busy.
Levi, are you ready to get goats?
Yeah!
Talia, what about you? Got a couple helpers to keep the goats in line. What's the bet gonna be now?
On the way home, assuming that trip includes goats, will they jump over the back seat? And will Talia have to wrestle them down?
Okay. What's the wager?
It's the usual.
And are you for or against?
I say they will jump over the back seat and Talia will have to wrestle one down.
Alright. I guess I'll take the other option.
I'm the over, you're the under.
Sure.
How many
How many? Oh, this is getting complicated.
will jump over the back seat?
I think they're just gonna yell at us the whole trip.
I say only one will be bold enough to do that and their two won't do it.
Alright. What do you think, Levi? Do you think they're gonna try to jump over the back seat?
Yes.
Yes? And they're gonna jump on your head?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll poop.
I hope they don't poop on you. That would be bad.
It looks like the tree playhouse is that goat house.
Love Shack.
Any vaccinations, there's one that some people use, it's called PDT.
Yeah,
Okay, so you know about that one?
I've seen that mentioned.
Timothy are the next year.
Yeah. Okay.
And then local haze, they really only need local haze, but they're probably not going to eat it because they're picky.
Yeah, I see. And what about like weeds and stuff? Do they like to eat weeds on your
They
property?
do, yeah.
Okay, because we definitely have some weeds. We're going to find them that way, so we'll see.
This one's my favorite.
You want to catch one too?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we need
All right, should we walk this way?
used to us so we don't have to catch them anymore.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because of how cute they are.
Oh,
They won't go far, don't worry.
oh, okay.
Hey, big goats.
Don't let it jump out, please, pal. Okay. Let's let Wendy put hers in first, actually, and then you and I can cover the back.
All right, don't jump out.
Okay, Tal, go get in the back seat so that they don't want to jump over.
Okay.
There you go. Just stay right there and then.
Oh yeah, they're just laying down. That's great. Oh, say bye to your mommy. What do they sound like, Levi?
They sound loud.
What do they say?
They It's just standing there and just
We'll
looking
have all
at
the
me.
time at home to
He keeps
pet
just
them.
standing there looking at me, and the other two are just laying at the edge.
Aw.
They're not going to let me pet them.
They don't seem too angry yet. So it looks like I won the bet. I will take my congratulations now. Izzy! Did you look through the window?
Wait,
Did you?
can't see that
You
well.
can't see that well. They're in there.
Hi, Levi.
Don't let Izzy in the car. Izzy. Back.
You're so cute.
Renee, get in and close the door if you want to
certificate?
see him.
Again, heading in. Where's the top of the head?
Oh, they made a noise. They were so quiet and calm, like the whole car ride.
They just laid down.
They hardly made a peep. Here, scoot back, Levi. Let me see.
What's on their head? It's where their horns were clipped.
Do you know which one's getting named what?
Not yet. We still have to have a family meeting.
Double.
We know one is going to be Dooble. Dooble the goat. What was the dream you had?
I had a dream where we were going to name one of them newspapers.
You're going to name a goat newspapers.
Yes, I want to name one.
Which one would be newspapers? The black and white one?
Yes.
Their necks are so skinny.
So bad.
This cannot come off over its head, at least not easily at all.
Okay, good.
So it's gonna work well enough.
He's so cute. He's just relaxed now.
Yeah, now he's happy.
It's okay. They're talking to each other.
They're like, what the heck is going on?
Where are we? What's happening?
This one's marshmallow.
Oh,
Names are getting worse and worse.
Not marshmallow.
I like waffle.
I mean s'more. They're nice to people.
This one seems really scared.
It was shaking so hard when we were trying to get it out. I can't hardly see where its wings were flipped off. I would be.
Your baby.
Okay.
What do you think, Freddie? She's like, I am so sick of you bringing new animals
What?
to this
What name
place.
ideas you got?
Billy,
The first one that comes to mind.
Billy the Kid.
the goat.
Billy the Kid the Goat.
Yeah, Freddie doesn't
Billy
know
the
what to
Kid
think.
Goat.
This one keeps farting.
Oh, look at this.
Like goat's like staring contest. Yeah. And the goat one.
The goat one.
Come. Hey, sit. Izzy, stay. Stay. Izzy, walk. Hey, walk. Sit. Come. Sit. Girl. Come. Might freak his goat out a little bit.
Yeah, so hold on to him. Good.
Well, she's not trying to kill him.
Yeah.
See, he's so good.
She's doing great.
Self-control, Izzy.
What a good girl.
I hope the goats will come up to it and they'll like snuggle
Yeah.
and be friends. Oh, they're pooping noses.
No, it's boo.
The nose pooping. If this was a dream, it's probably the best one ever.
Oh, and it's peeing. I knew it needed to
They've
pee.
peed so many times already.
I think it peed on my arm a little bit.
See, it isn't so bad. Oh. Nice goat. She looks so uncomfortable.
He.
We're gonna get confused with, like with the chickens.
Chickens are all girls. Goats are all boys. So far.
Hello, baby goat. I thought sheep were girl goats.
No. You thought wrong.
Leave it. Do you think we'll ever get a girl goat and make a baby goat?
Maybe. That's the hope, and make goat milk.
Izzy. Maybe on its back right here. Yeah. Oh. Oya will be and the Oya elephant will be in the egg still.
In the egg still?
Yeah.
Did the goat eggs hatch?
Goat
And the little goats popped out?
Yeah, that would be cute.
That would be so cute.
And we will bring the.
Levi, they just want to be cuddled all the time.
I'm gonna be best friends with my
head
buddy.
into
Best
like,
friends with your buddy.
chest or your hand or your elbow.
So, heading up to the arena where we are going to keep the goats. Jeff is working on their little goat house to keep them safe from predators and dry and stuff. We decided to start with wethers, which is basically castrated males. So we got the 3 wethers today, and then we actually have a lead on 2 more of a different breed that we're going to go look at on Monday and possibly bring those home. So we're thinking of starting with 5 and seeing how it goes. What you doing, Cherry? Moving rocks? Awesome. How's it coming?
Good. I stared at it until I saw what needed to be done.
Okay, now you're doing it.
Now I'm doing what needs to be done.
Awesome.
But I just discovered, after we walked in, we've got about 3 inches of packed manure
Uh-huh.
on top of clay with a lot of rocks in it.
Ah,
So the digging is actually kind of difficult.
I see.
I don't need to dig very far. And I was considering going and getting my little jackhammer.
Oh,
Jackhammer the hole out. So I'm going to do like 1, 2 posts.
okay.
One under this part of the truck. One under the other. member of the truss here. 2 posts. Run a wall. Run a wall, and this will be their pen.
That looks like it could house several goats. That's big.
Yeah, that'll be their starting pen. And then eventually I want to have a pen there that's smaller, and over there that's smaller, so there could be 3 isolating pens. Bigger main pen here, smaller pen, smaller pen.
Cool.
But I just hit difficult digging, and I only have a little small shovel. I thought it would be easier to dig here. So I was thinking about getting a better digger. Maybe I'll just do it with a mattock.
Are you a better digger? Dad needs a better digger. Can you do it, please?
Can you go get me the mattock from the shed, please?
What's a mattock?
Yellow and black handle. One side is pointy like a pickaxe, the other side is flat
Oh yeah.
blade. Thank you.
Can I get one?
Blackberries?
Yeah.
Man, you can get as many blackberries as you want. We got billions.
Mom,
Hmm?
I see some over here.
Well, pick 'em, man. What you waiting for? Did you want a blackberry? You can't reach, can ya? Here you go. You're welcome.
I win.
The chicken's chasing you. That chicken thinks you have something for it. It's been a couple hours now, and my husband's still out here working. And I think Charity's been working with him the whole time. But we're having some friends over this evening, so I have been in the kitchen working on dinner. But I'm coming out to check on the progress. You see our nice flag? The kids got a kite, and they flew it once. And that's where it ended up. And that's where it's staying for the time being, because we can't get it down. Whoa! Looks like a goat pen. And this is their bed, where they're gonna sleep up high?
Yeah.
Nice.
Using a lot of those shelf things that I never needed.
Oh yeah.
Really heavy duty. I'll put those
Repurposing.
down on the bottom. And then I'll put whatever other wire I can scrounge up at the top for now. I might have to put some on temporary and get some better later. But I'll use what we got. As small as those goats are,
For now.
it'll be fine
Yep.
for now. I have a decent roll of wire over there. Oh, I don't know if it's enough to go on the top, but I really wanted to go wire all the way up to here.
Mm-hmm.
So that coyotes and such be pretty well all the way to the top, all the way around.
Yep.
I don't need to do it right here, so that saves me a bit. But I need to go all the way out at the bottom.
Yeah. I don't think I mentioned earlier, but the 3 goats that we got today are the Nigerian dwarf breed. And the ones that we are going to go look at on Monday are mini Nubian. So they are different. The mini Nubians have like the really long ears. They're super cute. Actually, my husband was telling me that the mini Nubian is a cross between the Nubian and the Nigerian dwarf. So they're similar, but they're a little bit bigger, and then they have those funny long ears. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, Nigerian dwarf are the ones that we have today. It's the next day now, and I wanted to show you how this all looks. Doesn't that look fancy? And they got bells, you can hear. Bells on their collars. Oh, they're over there eating some weeds. All right, oh, it's like this.
Oh.
And you open it, and there's a lever inside too, so you can get out. It's always a good thing. All right, are they, where's the last one?
They're all 3 right there.
They are? Ooh.
So we have Double and Doofer right next to each other.
Okay, so Double and Doofer are twins, and they're the 2 back there that are next to each other. One's darker, one's lighter. And then this one over here, it's the biggest. Oh, don't get scared of us, it's okay. And he's like a black and white cow. His name is Toro, and he's Double and Doofer's half brother. They all have the same dad, but they don't all have the same mom. We're working real hard to get them to get used to us, because they were nursed by their mom rather than bottle fed. They're more skittish around people, and so we want to teach them that we're friendly, and it's a challenge. They just want to run away from us. I got Double to eat some sunflower seeds out of my hand. That was exciting. But they seem to be having a happy time in here. They got their nice little platform bed here with their stairs so that they can get up. And so far, they seem to be doing great. Look forward to more GoatTV coming soon. GoatTV! It ate it. It's working on it. Oh, yay! Dooper's the hero of the day.
Yummy. Isn't that so yummy?
We have all kinds of treats like that. All good treats come from us. Oh, what a happy little doofer.
Eat my hair.
What a happy little doofer.
Oh my goodness, he's so cute.
Babies, good morning. Oh, look at those tail wags. Oop. Ah, keep going.
Keep going. Tripped on the